Hi, I am Snehal from the team Technocrat. We are working on the project Agile TweetViz. Let's have a look on the workflow of the project. We have a Twitter stream APIs which we consumed and collected the JSON file. This JSON file is then provided to the JSON parser and which gives us the tweet meta models. These meta models are provided to the aggregators in the Moose platform which will collect the different sets of data. These data sets are provided to the Roassal engine for the visualization. Let's see what are the current state of the project. We created the meta models using a Moose platform and then visualize it in using a Roassal. Let's see a demo.
So let's take it further from where Snehal left it. We have the Twitter model in here. The Twitter model, we have used the retweet count, the timestamp, the create at, the user, the hashtag variables to create different visualizations. Let me take you to the different visualizations that we have implemented for this sprint. So here we have four different visualization. The first visualization segregates the tweet based on the month in which they were posted. So for October we have 6, August we have 1, and for May we have 2. A similar kind of visualization we have is for days of week. Here we have segregation based on the day on which the tweets were posted. Here you can see that we have small data set used. Actually we have a large amount of data that we pulled for the hashtag, but here for the demo purpose we have used a smaller one. Then we have the next visualization, which is retweet count. The retweet count shows the popularity of a particular tweet. The third tweet seems to have 230 retweets, so that seems to be a popular one. The fourth one is the sensitivity. This visualization shows the number of tweets that are considered sensitive for a particular hashtag. So this is all that we have for sprint 2, and stay tuned for sprint 3.
Hello, I'm Aditya Biolkar and I will walk you through the retrospective of this sprint. In this sprint, we had a few risks and hurdles, such as it was difficult to find sufficient amount of relevant data for a specific visualization. For example, as we saw in the visualization regarding the sensitivity indicator of tweets, we had very few tweets which were marked sensitive by Twitter and a very large number of tweets that were not marked sensitive by Twitter. Also, it was observed that the Twitter data provided by the Twitter API had an irregular structure. Some of the tweet objects had a user information associated with them, while some did not have user information associated with them. This makes it difficult to write custom parser on such Twitter objects. We also learned important lessons during this sprint, such as Pharo, Moose, and Roassal are as a as an ecosystem a set of entities that work in a tightly coupled environment. Also, we discovered that it is easier to parse tweet data that is represented in JSON format rather than the data that is represented in CSV format. From version control point of view, we had an important discovery that Pharo does not integrate well with GitHub. Hence, we had to come up with our customized change management process. Now let's have a look at the future work we intend to do for Sprint 3. In Sprint 3, we will be working on improving the dataset quality by using the combinations of multiple hashtags. We will also try to improve the meta models in terms of incorporating more Twitter parameters and to handle the irregularity in the data we mentioned earlier. Also, we aim to exploit Roasal's rich graphical features to provide high quality visualizations. All the documents of our projects are uploaded on our Google website. We request you to have a look at them. If you have any questions, our contact details are already also there on the project website. With this, we conclude our presentation for this sprint. Thank you so much.